What's up, everybody? John Roday, Sophisticated Redneckery. Welcome back to the channel. We're out here on the Chesapeake Bay. Behind me, you can see the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. A little afternoon trip for Boo and I. We are coming out here looking for some mackerel, some sea bass, some white perch, maybe some black drum, I'm not sure. All right, dudes, we got a fish on first drop. Hey, Boo, do you want to reel in?
No, you do it.
All right, so we just got a striper on my first drop of the planer. We're using number one and number two planer. So we are, you can see right here in front of me, all these birds diving. We're gonna run right through these birds, around the edge of them, and then through those birds and see what we can find. But so we got two planers out the back. I got my pen, and I got my, that's like a Bass Pro Gold Cup. So I'm just trying it to see what, how it works. I'll let you guys keep rolling. I don't have any of my GoPro stuff with me today. Lots of birds. I would say we're in the middle of the birds. And they're diving on that bait. Watch our lines here. What'll happen if you haven't fished with planers before is those planers are going down in the water with your string, right? And the line comes off the back. When a fish pulls it, it trips the planer and brings it up to the surface. That may be my good buddy Jeff Sykes over there. It looks like a nice judge yacht. We'll see. We're gonna cross paths here. Jeff Sykes right there. Psyched up adventures. Daddy got a billion. Oh, it's a big one. I better keep it tight. I don't know what it is. Oh, I got something big, y'all. Oh, yeah. Look at that guy. Look at that, y'all. Nice one. Well, we want to take it easy with these guys because we're going to let them go, right? Yeah! Look at that pretty fish. Can you drive for a second? I got a nice fish on here. I don't know what it's keeps driving for. Fish on there? Boo's on also, 24-incher, y'all. We're gonna get him back in for a nice release on this fish. What an amazing fish. Boo's working here next to me. Yeah! Check it, oh, a little striper and a baby. Look at Boo and I. We got stripers. We got stripers in the living room getting it on, and we ain't quitting till 6 in the morning. Yeah! Good job, Boo. You have to touch the fish now. You're not gonna touch this fish? All right, we're gonna get this guy out of here. Yes, nice release. All right, there he is. Oh, there he goes. He wants to go now. Yes. You did touch him. Good job, Bill. And she brought another fish in. So cool. Just catching fish, y'all. You know me, I don't need keepers. It's good to throw them back, too. Today's catch and release day. You're just happy to catch. Couldn't have the boys with me today. Boo and I decided to take a fun little trip, and here we are. Okay.
Good job, monster.
Got a fish over here already, y'all. That looks like a Spanish mackerel. Come on, baby, we got some sushi. It's a big one. It's a big one! Yeah! Keeper City right there, y'all! That's what he's talking about. That That's a big one too. Get teeth on that sucker. Nope. Yeah! Yes! Trolling! Yes! You feeling them? There's some on there. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, he's on there. Okay. Here, grab your line. Hand line him in, darling. You're just gonna set him on the deck. You don't even have to. Yeah, boo. I think it's a big striper. Another nice striper. Just put him right on the deck. Good job, darling. Here you go. Just be careful with her. Woo, yeah. That's your PB. PB right there. Gosh, we're getting some nice ones. Here we go, y'all. Good job, babe. Look at that. She got that one in all by herself. All by herself. Let's get him back in the water. Until he starts kicking. Like really kicking. Just reviving this little guy. Making sure he's good to go. Out there you go. Open the grippers. There you go. Whoosh. Great release, Boo. And your first release. Now she's got no excuse. None. Alright guys, so here's what we're using. Sea Striker 1 planter, gold spoon, and a silver spoon. That's wrapped around here. I got 30 foot of leader on here, 15 foot from my swivel to another swivel in the middle of the line, and then another 15 feet. Gives room. The line doesn't bind as much. Put that swivel in the middle. Good ball bearing swivel, and you'll have a lot more hookups because that line's not twisted. All right, my dudes, dudettes, kids, family, pets, everybody, we're back in the kitchen. We are doing our Spanish mackerel poke bowl. But first, we got to get our rice cooking. So we are going to do some sushi rice, short grain rice, guys. If you want the best rice for like sushi rolls with fish and whatnot, go with short grain rice. It's the way to go. I'm going to cut up this mackerel for you. I got this mackerel right here. And we're going to cut this bad boy. Let me show you the two ways that I fillet a mackerel. First way, easiest way to cut a mackerel. Take your knife, make sure you have a good knife. Before I cut any fish or any game animal, I always hone my knife. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, here's the first way. Come right behind the head, down, find the backbone. And out. Y'all, that's it. Now all I need to do is just cut this out. All right, nice sharp knife. Handles that. No problemo. You've got yourself a nice piece of meat ready to go there. And then I can cut this one over, bring this one over on the other side. I'll bring it sideways, show you. Come in right behind the pectoral fin, down, right down the backbone, through, right? Now we're just gonna peel this fish off. Okay. Same thing. You're gonna have to cut the gut pocket out. And you're good to go. Now your Spanish mackerel skin is very thin, so when you're filleting a Spanish mackerel, you don't push the blade down like you normally would. You kind of just want to skim it right along the edge. All right. Now I'm going to take, always for my mackerel, I cut the whole middle section out. So I come right along this line. I come right on the other side.
How do you get that message?
It's on my phone, buddy.
Which phone?
It's in my pocket.
Right?
That's cat food. All right, so to cut up my sushi, guys, I got it in pieces, right? We're right here, we're rolling. We got our sushi cut in pieces, ready to slice. So for my poke bowls, I like little cubes. So we're gonna do that, but I'm also gonna cut some sashimi up. So I'm gonna use the smaller pieces, like these, for my sushi, for my poke bowl, and the ends and all these thicker pieces, for my sashimi, so we can do the nice thin slices. So any little small pieces we're going to use for that poke bowl. Here's the thing with mackerel, guys. It's a soft fish, so don't handle it too much. Be very careful with it. Those are the size pieces you really want. Nice bite-sized pieces for your raw fish. We're cooking the poke bowl up, and excuse me, Gato. You said hello to everybody? Check on the cat. He eats all the fish, don't you? He's just waiting for scraps. That's all he does is sit down here. So listen, we're gonna have some of this sashimi really quick. We cut up a couple nice little pieces of sashimi. There's your little piece. Let's try a little of that. Here, I'll get you, Boo, dip it. Dip it, Boo. Oh yeah. All right. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. We should have done the whole fish like that.
Fantastic.
It ain't no joke, y'all. And the cool thing about this, I'll cut this in half for you too, then. Mackerel is amazing, fresh like this, raw. Double thumbs up on the sashimi, y'all. Hey, if you guys are trying, right there, the Yamasa sashimi soy sauce. Good stuff. Here's what I've got going on. I've got our Spanish mackerel. We've got our seaweed salad. Now the seaweed salad, I just went and bought at Wegmans. You can buy this at the store pre-made, ready to go. It's $3 for this package. That's 2 packages in there. You can also go to the Asian store and get some otagi seaweed and make your own seaweed if you want. And go ahead and you can add all the additives in there. So this one we're gonna make to match this. It's just a little bit bigger seaweed. Carrots, you want some crunchy carrots. You want your avocado, lots of avocado. Now we don't have cucumbers. I didn't get it. I didn't get edamame because actually Wegmans was out of edamame. So I did not get any of that. But those are the 2 things I'd add, cucumbers and edamame. And then we're gonna have poke sauce. You can get the Kiko Man poke sauce.
What? Why would there actually be floating in the sky?
Oh, much better. It's still got a kick to it. Whoa. Excuse me, it's got a kick to it, but I like spicy stuff. But it's much better shaken up. That is the whole thing. And then of course, our sushi rice. So I'm making my rice, which is short carrying rice, into a sushi rice. To do that, I'm doing 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, teaspoon of fine salt, usually a sea salt, but I'm using pink Himalayan, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. I do a little less, I do 3 tablespoons of sugar. 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now we're gonna take that, we're gonna pour it over the rice, and we're gonna fold it with my little rice paddle. Okay, all I'm gonna do is pour mixture over my rice. Then we're gonna use our paddle, and we're gonna fold that over. Cut it in half, fold it. Cut it in half, fold it. Cut it in half, fold it. All right, so now we're gonna plate our rice. Okay, so we're gonna put our toppings on next. Here's what we've got. We're gonna take our bowl of rice. We're gonna put a little bit of carrots over here, a little bit of seaweed, some avocado. Can't have too much avocado. Right, and then we're gonna take our mackerel. And there, my friends, is your poke bowl. Now, what you want to do, take a little of these on top. And to finish it off, your poke sauce. You can homemade your poke sauce, or you can buy it at the Kiko Man. It's pretty good. So I'm going to just go ahead and put a little amount of poke sauce on the top of my stuff here. And we're going to be good to go, y'all. This is going to be my homemade poke bowl. And you got to have your chopsticks.
Oh my gosh.
All right, we're here at the table, and Winter already said, what do you think?
It's so good. Like, I want it right now, and I want it, like, every day.
She is talking about the pokey, guys. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Here's what it looks like. There you go. Check that out. That looks delicious. Avocado, seaweed, pokey, mackerel, and carrots. So overall, very excited about this, man. This is I'm gonna give her the old taste test. So let's see. All right, I'm gonna try to get a little of everything in here, guys. This seaweed makes it. Wow. That is fresh. That is something else right there. You can cut your own sushi grade fish and do this at home. What a treat. What an absolute treat. So guys, until the next one. Mackerel poke bowl came and conquered. So good. From all of us over here at Sophisticated Redneckery, we wish you the best. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button down there, that little thumbs up button. We appreciate it. Now Brooks is coming to get some food, so I gotta go before he eats it all. See you guys on the next one.